Presenting the 2026 Ford Ranger SuperCrew 4-wheel drive XL, finished in a clean Oxford white exterior with a professional ebony cloth interior. This powerhouse features the proven 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, paired with an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission for seamless performance. Experience the capability of the 128-inch wheelbase and the rugged style of the STX Appearance Package. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are heading out to the rugged backroads of Stave Falls or navigating a local job site, this Ranger is built to handle the challenge. It comes equipped with the STX Appearance Package and 17-inch silver-painted aluminum wheels that look sharp against that crisp Oxford white finish. This is more than just a truck. It is a versatile tool designed specifically for our Fraser Valley lifestyle and the demands of the Pacific Northwest. Inside, you will find a modern and highly functional cabin, featuring an 8-inch cluster display and a massive 10-inch center display powered by Sync 4A with AppLink. The floor covering is finished in ActiveX for maximum durability and easy cleaning after a weekend outdoors. With power door locks and windows, plus a locking glove box, your gear stays secure while you enjoy the comfort of the rear bench with underseat storage and manual air conditioning. Utility is at the heart of this specific build, featuring an integrated box side step for easy bed access and a tough bed spray-in bedliner to protect your cargo area. The trailer tow package and integrated trailer brake controller make hauling your equipment effortless and safe. Safety is a top priority, with the anti-lock braking system, lane keeping system, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, keeping you protected on every road. Many drivers ask about the efficiency of this four-wheel drive system during their daily commute. According to the official window sticker data, this Ranger achieves an impressive 9.9 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway and 11.2 liters per 100 kilometers combined. This allows you to tackle the trails and the highway with total confidence, knowing you have a balanced and efficient powertrain that does not compromise on capability. This 2026 Ranger XL is ready for its first adventure and is waiting for you in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall. Come see our team today and experience why Ford continues to lead the way in truck innovation. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.